Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. This is the awesome trick. Did you know? We can send fax without fax machine? Using mobile and your PC, laptop. This fax system support send fax anytime to any country. It's mean this is the international fax sending system. Not special what is your device. This method support for Windows, macOS, and Android and iOS. Let's see how to send fax without fax machine. First, open any of your web browser. What you like to use. Now search in Google, CocoFax, or type the web address, cocofax.com. If you search CocoFax in Google, you can click first link. This is website we need to use. Send faxes without fax machine. They support with awesome features to send faxes. As example, we can send fax with Gmail, Google Drive, and we can send faxes any device from anywhere. We can check what more features have in CocoFax. And they support for quick helping option. CocoFax users can get free fax number when you complete the registration in CocoFax. Let's see now how to create an account with CocoFax. Go to the homepage and click Start Faxing. We are free to choose fax number and country from here. Let me create an account. I keep my country as United States. Can choose number type 2. Then you can choose a number as a random number, or you can select a number with area code. After select a number, click Next. Second step, your name, email and password. Third step is a purchase. You want to plan to send and receive faxes. We can see what is the best option. Should I buy to send and receive faxes? If you wish to purchase, you can purchase it with PayPal, credit card and debit card also. If you like to test this CocoFax, how to work before purchase, you can use it as trial plan. Open your email, what you used before, create account in CocoFax. Then we have received an email from CocoFax. Open the email. Then you can see you have a free account in CocoFax. Open with click here link. Now you are redirected to dashboard in CocoFax account. To get started, verify the email address. Now you have a chance to get fax number free. Here we go. I got a fax number. Free account gives only 10 pages fax. Now let's see how to send faxes with this CocoFax. Click New Fax. Then type the number. Then receiver's fax number. Click the Add Files to add your file, what you like to fax, or you can drag the document. Then we can send the fax. After receive the fax, you will get notification. Click the Send. My fax still in the outbox. It will complete the send with few seconds. Here the my fax sending complete. I have only 7 pages now. Check the email. Then you will receive an email from Coco Fax. Fax sent successfully. And other things is, we can install Google Chrome extension and we can use it easily with Google Chrome. Let's see how to install it. Open the Google Chrome browser and click Apps on Chrome. Hen Web Store. Search here, Coco Fax. Then install the Chrome extension. After complete the installation, you can see right corner, Coco Fax logo. Click the logo. Then we can log with previously created account. Or you can create an account with Google and Microsoft. Let me sign. We can send fax from here. But now I am going to show you how to add fax cover while sending fax. Add recipient fax number first. Then add your fax file. In this time I am going to add a Word file. To add fax cover, click Setting Fax Cover. Now you can see, you can add recipient name and email also. And free to pick up fax cover. After select the fax cover, you can send the fax. This is the method, how to send fax without fax machine. I will share premium features in Coco Fax. Stay tuned with us. Why didn't you comment me below? Does it worked or not? Thank you. See you in next video.